Hey everybody, this is JC. I just wanted a quick shout out to Apple Aire, who's out here today putting this awesome active home air purification into our furnace at the house. We're also going to humidify the air, which I think is just going to make everything all around a whole lot better and hopefully get the cracks out of my wood floors. So guys, I just want to thank you for coming out and doing this for us today. And you know, if you guys need anybody for your HVAC service, choose Apple Aire. So Shane, what are you doing at this point in the project?
Well, bypass humidifier, you got to have supply coming through one end, pushing through the humidifier into the return side as it bypasses through the system.
Ah, okay. So you're tying the in and out together. Got
Correct. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Hello again, everybody. I just wanted to quickly give a huge thank you to Apple Aire. We got, as you can see here, we got our active air purifier all installed. It's working great. I can already smell how nice and clean and fresh the air is. And what you probably can't see over here, maybe we can get a shot of it. I've got my humidifier in. It's up and running. As you can see right there in the gray and black. So hopefully we can start getting the humidity up in the air. I'm super excited. These guys were absolutely professional, amazing. They were funny. We had a great time today. They were in and out real quick. Apple Aire, these are your guys.